Here we have a Honda Civic, and it's got GT kit installed with headlights, tail lights, and much more accessories which you can see. Like here there is a towing hook, JDM, Honda JDM bumper kits. Over here we have our Scissor door hinges. Scissor door hinges are our own manufacturing, so your doors can open upside down. And exclusively we have a carbon fiber interior in this car, which is printed at this unit itself, and Alcantara finish leather seats, which is basically a fabric and not a resin, so you don't feel warm inside. It's got smoked tail lights, catback exhaust system. It's got 10.5J wheels and 245 tires. It's got 70 mats and everything. You could see the interiors done. Got 9-inch display which displays where your speed as well as whether your lights are running or shut, like when it's off, when it's glowing. It shows this animated car wherein light glows. When you turn off, it shuts off. When you turn on, it goes on. It's basically a tab itself inside the car's own system, which works on voice control as well. And you can see the lovely interiors. These are Alcantara fabrics with 70,000 rubs warranty. That gives you like warranty for 5 years. Lovely 70 mats with red threads complementing the interiors of the car, which is black and red. Sports clutch brake lever pedals installed, which gives you again a very good feel when you get into your cars and see such lovely chrome and rubber gear clutch brake lever pedals. It's got JBL speakers and JBL 1200 bass tube with 1000 watts ampli installed, which gives you a lovely feel. Let's listen to some music. Wow, sounds nice, isn't it?
Okay, so now just let's start the engine, rev it little bit and hear this lovely baby.